the lab trend indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about the functionality and operation of the indicator. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts displaying bullish and bearish trends within the market. Traders can use the lab trend indicator to identify trading opportunities. If the market enters a bullish trend, the indicator displays the uptrend with green candles, and when the market turns bearish, the indicator shows the candles in pink. Additionally, when the trend changes from bearish to bullish or from bullish to bearish, trading signals along with alerts are displayed so that traders are informed about trading opportunities. In the settings section under inputs, there are options available to us. The first option is a factor used in the indicator's periodic calculations. The higher we set this value, the fewer trend changes will be displayed and fewer trading signals will be generated. And the lower we set this value, the more trend changes will be shown on the chart. In the next section, we can enable or disable the display of candles. In the following section, we can enable or disable the display of signals. In the next option, we can enable or disable the ability to send an alert when the trend changes. And if this option is disabled, the following options will also be irrelevant. However, if we set this option to true, we can choose to enable or disable alerts either while the candle is open or after it has closed. If this option is set to false, it waits for the candle to close and then issues the signal. And if this option is set to true, it issues the signal even while the candle is still open. In the next section, we can enable or disable the display of alerts as messages on the screen. In the next inputs, we can enable or disable sound alerts. And finally, we can also enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. Just make sure to know that if this option is set to true, you must have completed the email settings in the tools section under options. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.